I'm here at the Microsoft Store to welcome you to a very special edition of What's New in EDU. That's right, it's our holiday recap of the year in EDU. Now, let's get down to business. It's been a great year bringing you the EDU updates from Microsoft, so today, as our gift to you, we'll recap some of our favourites. 2018 placed inclusive classroom approaches into the spotlight. We're passionate about empowering all students, and this year, our CEO Satya Nadella announced our partnership with the Made by Dyslexia initiative.
At Microsoft, we've made the pledge to support the Made by Dyslexia initiative and to ensure that the right tools and technology get to the 700 million people with dyslexia.
We've also incorporated our learning tools into more of our products to help students do their very best work. We're going to look back at the exciting Hack the Classroom event from earlier this year, where Doug Bergman gave an amazing talk on making STEM come to life for all students through diversity and inclusion in the classroom.
I'm going to start out, probably shock many of you, and say the world doesn't really need more computer scientists.
Wait. He has a good point. Hear him out.
Computer science isn't for one type of person, so we have to make sure our computer science programs are attractive to people of lots of different types and lots of different capabilities and levels and interests and backgrounds. So when people who are not naturally attracted to computer science start to connect because of your classroom, you're expanding your reach.
It's so important we open students' eyes to all of the ways computer science skills can enhance their individual interests, whether it be art, science, maths, music. Which actually brings me to the next big announcement we made this year. Flipgrid joined the Microsoft family. This is exciting stuff, folks. So exciting, in fact, Satya made the announcement himself.
Flipgrid is the place where students go to share ideas and learn together, and where educators go to engage them. Together with Flipgrid, we aim to democratize these tools to empower every educator and student to create the world of tomorrow.
As you can see, this year was full of launches and announcements, but one of the things we enjoyed the most is the You Can series, which helps teachers uncover what's possible with Microsoft tools. One that a lot of people got excited about was Minecraft Education Edition. You can learn how to build and explore worlds and use Code Builder to create and be creative. Need some more dolphins in your life? Add some more dolphins. Another big announcement we made this year is that Microsoft Forms is now fully integrated with Teams, which means you can now easily set up Forms tabs, create notifications for your form, or conduct a quick poll for your team, all from within Teams. This makes it that much easier for teachers just like you to create quizzes and surveys for students and track answers in real time as they start rolling in. And finally, all the events. We were at ISTE this year where we launched our very own STEM curriculum for Minecraft Education Edition. We hosted Back to School Live, which was a live online event to help classrooms kick off a new semester. We were at BET to announce new affordable devices for students, even some that include touch and ink, as well as launch our Class of 2030 research. Now, you might be wondering why I'm filming in a Microsoft store. Well, it's because this holiday, you can give yourself the gift of new technology skills with free workshops at select Microsoft stores, built to help you prepare your students to succeed with computer science, accessibility, and tools to help prevent cyberbullying. And we can't talk about events without mentioning E2, the Microsoft Education Exchange. This year we focused on creating the space for educators to unlock their genius and build enduring professional communities. And next year, E2 is going to be even better. And it's in Paris, so you know what that means. Education, baguette, and cheese. Au revoir. What an exciting year. And it wouldn't be right to end without a sincere thank you to all of you hardworking educators. You are literally changing the world. You inspire us every day, and we're so excited to help you succeed. From inclusivity to STEM to the addition of new tools like Flipgrid into the Microsoft family, it was an amazing year. We're primed and ready for next year and beyond. And that's a wrap. And that's it for this episode of What's New in EDU. From all of us here in Microsoft, happy holidays.